Yes, for the benefit of our viewers, want to find out how to go through the appeals.
Gentlemen, the two appeals arising from the Kogi governorship election came up today. The one from the SDP and the one from the AA. They were argued and we await judgment. Judgment was reserved. Yeah, so I'm not at liberty to make any further comments because the matter is sub judice. Thank you.
In the appellant's bill of argument filed in this case on 2nd August 2024, we had comprehensively articulated our position that both the tribunal and the lower court were wrong in expunging the evidence of an INEC witness who testified as PW1, Abdul Malik Njida, as well as the beavers machines tendered to him, which were expunged from the record. We had argued extensively that those decisions of the tribunal and the lower court, Court of Appeal that is, were wrong with the greatest respect. But as an alternative line of argument, we canvass the point that some of the decisions of this honorable court, particularly in Peterobi's case and Atiku Abubakar's case, wherein paragraph 4.5 of the first schedule to the Electoral Act was given strict interpretation, should be departed from, having regard to the incalculable injustice it has occasioned petitioners in our electoral jurisprudence. That was what informed the humble application we made to the Honorable the Chief Justice of Nigeria to constitute a full panel of the court in so doing. However, when the letter was brought to the attention of the Honorable Court today, their lordships, in their wisdom, said that the panel of 5 was fully empowered to deal with our matters and application in our brief. And that was why they proceeded to hear the appeal.
My name is Abdullahi Bello, APC State Chairman, Kogi.
Okay, sir, and the court has reserved judgment. How optimistic that your party will also get victory as they had gotten from the lower court and the Court of Appeal?
Well, I am as confident as ever because truth is always truth. Truth is constant. No matter where you take them to, truth remains truth. The fact is that the election of November 2023 was won by Ahmed Usman Ododo, and the tribunal affirmed it. Of course, the Court of Appeal did the same, and I'm very confident that with the panel of judges that I have seen, with heavy credentials, experience, no matter what, APC will carry the day.
Your name again, sir?
Abdullahi Bello, APC State Chairman.